Welcome! In today's video, we will take you through the process on creating an event ticket on Smartcast. To get started, select Create Events from your dashboard. Enter your event title or choose whether your event is physical or online. Next, set the event location using Google Maps. You can also enter your event's digital address if applicable. This field is optional. Choose whether your event is a one-time event or a multi-day event. Then, select the event date, start time, and end time. Upload an event image for display. Write a brief summary of your event and provide a detailed description for your attendees. Once you are done, click Next to add a ticket. Choose your preferred ticket color, then fill it whether your ticket is free or paid. Enter the ticket type such as regular or VIP. Then specify the ticket quantity. And if it is a paid ticket, enter the ticket price. Select the date when ticket sales should begin and the date when ticket sales should end. The end date can be the same as the date of your event. Next, set the ticket purchase limit. Then enter the phone number and email address attendees can use to contact for support. If you would like to create multiple ticket types, click Add Tickets and repeat the same process for each additional ticket. When you are finished, click Next to review all your event details. If everything looks correct, click Start Selling. That is it. Enjoy using Smartcast tickets, and we wish you a successful event.